It's day 4 already. So in Jenny's countdown to Christmas, we're gonna see what's inside this bag. Whew. I'm so excited because I've got some great stuff already in this Advent box, but now it's day 4, so let's see what's inside. And at the end of this video, I will go ahead and say what the running total is so far for amount. I have no idea what this is. Okay. There's more than one thing in here. Oh my goodness, you guys, this is so stinking cute. Look at this. It is a pattern and a hanger to hang the adorable pattern. Oh my goodness. You guys know what though? I already started using the fabric for this. I think I have some other Christmas fabric and I have all the red still from this charm pack. So I think I can make it work and get this made, and I will do that as soon as possible so that we can see how adorable it is. But how cute is that? One of my kids is peeking in. Do you want to say hi? No. I left the door open today because I was so excited to see what was in day 4. So it's a little mini quilt and obviously a hanging. And it is going to be 12.5 unfinished, but 12 inches finished. So it'll be a 12 by 12. And all you need to make this is 6 5-inch red print squares, 3 5-inch green print squares, and then 7 5-inch background squares. And I would assume that is the white on here. So there that is. This will be really fun and quick to put together. And I don't know if you've ever purchased patterns from the Missouri Star Quilt Company, but all of their books include a bunch of quilting tips and construction basics like borders, bindings, and things like that, which I think is really helpful, especially for people who are just beginning. So I'm really excited to put this together. This will be really cute. So in tomorrow's video, I will say what the total was for these things. I can't even guess on this one like I was with the charm, was able to with the charm squares, but I'm really excited about this. This is adorable, and I love that the hanger, I think, you know, you don't have to use that for just Christmas time, right? Like you could use this for a block that you keep up all the time. So this is I'm really excited about this. This is really cute, and this block could easily be made into a larger quilt if you wanted to. So yay, I'm really happy about this one. Another project, so excited. Okay, so do you want to see what I've been making with the charms? So I put together this little Christmas tree, and it's not quite finished yet. I have some other stuff that's going into it, and I still have plenty of squares left over, but let's go over the running total first. So for day 1, the value of that Advent gift was $10. Day 2 was $10 as well with the thread holder. And then day 3 was the charm squares, which is about $10 as well for the charm pack. So far it's $30 with 3 days. And then tomorrow I'll let you know what the total was for today for the pattern and for the hanger. So come back tomorrow for day 5. Let's see what that bag is. So a lot of packing material still stuck to it. So bag 5, it's a little smaller. Kind of feels like thread, but I'm not sure. But come back tomorrow so we can unbag it together. I have it upside down. Okay. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.